These are my favorite pair of blue suede shoes. I've been wearing.
Are these really yours?
Yes, these are really mine. And I'm even wearing pink ones today.
They are, yes, very, very pretty.
Yeah, so now if you have a pair of suede shoes, I take a little emery board and I just basically just file that dirt off, right? You see that? Look how easy that comes off.
Yeah, because water would have left a mark.
Water would have left a mark. You don't want to put liquid on your suede shoes, do you? Right?
You know, I must say, that word dainty comes up about, it's a very gentle little maneuver.
Right, just gentle maneuver.
That's all it takes.
Look at this. And so what's great about having the emery board or file is that it's so small and compact that you can keep one in the car, keep one in your bag, and keep one at home. And you can buy like 10 of these for $2 and some change. So it's a really good, quick, easy, and affordable hack.
I love your ideas. Thank you very, very much.
Thanks so much.
Now I know who to turn to. I need shoe rehab. The women with the, well, blue suede shoes.
Blue suede shoes. So what I have here is my cilantro detox drink. I've put in some water, some manuka honey, some lime. I'm going to tell you, I have some cute little straws for you too. Right?
We're going to
do this whole thing.
Match.
It helps with detox, and you're not doing this for taste. You're doing this for health, okay?
What are we making?
We're diving in. So we're doing themed dinners. We're talking about Meatless Mondays, Wing It Wednesday, and we're talking about Finger Food Fridays. So we're changing it up just a little bit.
Okay.
So I'm going to start here with my Meatless Monday meal. This is a vegan butternut squash bisque.
Ooh.
So we made it mini. I have this tried and true system that I use for kids to get them to try anything. So we mini it, we sticky it, we skewer it, and then we dip it.
Oh, that's so fun.
Yes,
so we're miniing it here.
We're miniing it here with our butternut squash bisque so the kids can have their own little servings here. Oh. And so this is delicious. Of course, it's healthy. It has fiber. It has the beta carotene that's good for their eyes. So it's really good. It's healthy.
You know, sweet muffins, you have muffins for everything.
Sweet and savory and healthy and bite-sized and portion controlled and kid-friendly.
Okay. This is all wonderful because I know sometimes you just need to pack in as many like nutrients and stuff as you're just like getting the kids off to the bus stop.
Yes.
And I have to say, you're really in good hands because you are a pharmacist turned wellness expert. So I know you know everything on how to get the good stuff in there.
Yeah, this is great.
I'm so happy to be here.
These look yummy.
Yes, we have some tostados.
Oh, I love a tostada.
So we have a little Mexican party.
Okay.
I have some shrimp and some refried beans, cheese, salsa, cilantro, guacamole, and lettuce, and we're going to make our own tostados.
Okay,
here.
we can do it.
So you can do the chicken, I'll do the shrimp. We're going to add some guacamole here. Right, I'm going to add some salsa.
All right.
Some cheese. I have some shredded cheese.
And so would you recommend, you know, doing this like ahead of time, like just having some of these things, I don't know, making a few of these for could these sit in the fridge for like
no, the tostados I would not. What I would do ahead of time for the tostados, I would do the guacamole and the salsa and the refried beans ahead of time.
Okay.
The tostados themselves, or the tortillas, they literally take 2 to 3 minutes to toast up on either side.
Oh, okay.
Now, Eileen, if you didn't want it to be crispy, you could have it softer, or you could actually fold it like an actual taco. And what I have here is some lime on the end, and then you give it a little hit.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Yeah.
Before you bite into that. Now, are you going to try?
Yeah, are you going to roll yours up or are you going to eat it just like this?
You know what? I'm going to roll it up.
You're going to roll it up too?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it.
Cheers, okay?
Cheers.
Garlic is another thing that helps boost the immunity. Now, some people find garlic off-putting because of the taste or sometimes some, you know, some GI upset, but you can roast this. Okay? So I would just take the whole bulb, put some olive oil in it, pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Or you could be like my father-in-law, and he just pops this out and pops the whole thing
just
raw.
like it's an apple.
Just like
really?
a shot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to try?
No.
Okay.
Because
it helps detoxify your liver. So we're talking about heavy metals like lead, mercury, and wouldn't you know, cilantro does that for you.
You want to college it?
So I like to do it first thing in the morning, make sure I flush my system, and it's so good. So try it at home, get the kids involved. It's great. Right? And then, by the way, this is a great way to store your herbs at home too. Put a little bit of water, put it in the fridge, right? And it lasts longer. So just so you know.
I didn't know to put them in the fridge.
So we're going to move on to some pesto
I already feel healthier,
chicken.
by the way.
Of course, yes. You know, I can leave now. I can leave now, right?
No.